Students, how are you? Today we are going to revise radiation. Beta, in this diagram you see that food is being cooked under a grill. Now how the heat travels to the food to cook it. Heat must travel downward to cook the food, but this heat cannot be carried by convection because convection carries the hot air upward. The heat cannot be conducted to the food because air is a bad conductor of heat. There is another way by which the heat reaches the food to cook it. This is radiation. Radiation is the mode of transfer of heat from one place to another in the form of waves called electromagnetic waves. The heat travels as tiny electromagnetic waves called infrared waves and cook the food. The sun is the biggest source of heat and light energy. The heat and light from the sun reaches the earth as electromagnetic waves. There is also a vacuum between the sun and the earth in the space, and the heat of the sun reaches the earth in the form of electromagnetic waves. That is by the process of radiation, not by conduction and convection, because conduction and convection involves particles. In radiation, no particles are involved. That's why the heat energy of the sun travels through the vacuum and reaches the earth. Student, next we have to compare emitters and absorbers. Some surfaces are better at emitting thermal radiations than the other. Good emitters of radiations are also good absorber. White or silvery surfaces are poor absorber because they reflect most of the radiation. That's why in hot sunny countries, houses are often painted white to keep them cool inside. Next, we have to compare emitter. We have to compare between dark surface and bright surface, which one is good emitter. We have to take two cans of equal size. This is can A with dark surface, this is can B with bright surface. Next we have to fill them with the same amount of water at the same temperature. For example, here temperature 45 degrees Celsius is shown. This water is at the temperature of 45 degrees Celsius in both these cans. Now we will note the time that is taken by the cans to cool the water, and it is found that the water in the can A, that is having dark surface, cools more quickly than the water in the can B, that is having bright or shiny surface. This graph is plotted between the time along x-axis and temperature along y-axis, and this graph shows that the water in can A, that is having dark surface, cools quickly as compared to water in the can B, that is having bright surface. Thus we can say that a dark surface is better emitter of thermal radiation than the shiny surface. To compare absorber, which one surface is better absorber, shiny surface or dark surface. In order to prove it, we have to take two metal plates of equal sizes. One is having dark surface, another is having shiny surface. Both metal plates have thermometers that is attached at their backs. These plates are fixed at the same distance from the radiator heater. This is radiant heater, and the distance between this radiant heater and dark plate and this radiant heater and shiny plate is same. It is found that the dark surface absorbs heat more quickly than the shiny surface. Again, the graph is plotted between the time along x-axis and temperature along y-axis, and we come to know that dark surface absorb heat quickly as compared to the shiny surface. It means that dark surface is a better absorber of thermal radiation than the shiny surface. Beta, this is shown that some buildings have solar panels on the roof. These solar panels use the thermal radiations from the sun to heat the water that is flowing in this pipe. These blackened layers absorb radiant energy and warm the water in the pipe that is kept in the storage tank, in this storage tank. Now we have to do the test yourself. Explain why in hot countries houses are often painted white. Beta, its answer is on page number 7. Page number 7, from this line, white or silvery surfaces up to this line. B, on a hot summer's day, the inside of a white car is cooler than the inside of a black car. Beta, on a hot summer day, the inside of a white car is cooler than the inside of a black car because dark surface is better emitter of thermal radiation than a shiny surface. C, aluminium foil helps keep food warm. The silvery surface of aluminium foil reflects heat back into the food, so food remains warm. D, central heating radiators work better if they are painted black. Beta, we have known that black or dark surface is better emitter and absorber of thermal radiation than the shiny one. That's why central heating radiators work better if they are painted black. The answer may also include this example.